The questions from yesterday were, how far should we have gone on our center? Well, I have to give a great job out to Jenny and Bill. They stayed at a center the whole time and worked through a problem and said, we really need to figure this out, rather than just going, oh, I don't know, and just moving on. They stayed there and worked at the problem until they could figure out what the answer was and how that got that way, and went through all their misconceptions. That's my expectation. These problems are hard, as you have realized pretty quickly. Do not skate over any of the parts of it, because then that means that somewhere you're having either a misconception or a thought that's not going well with the center. They are on 4 different parts. There's one on circumference area and perimeter. There's one on volume, one on surface area, and then there's one that sort of puts them together. You need to head to your weakest center after you're done with the one you have. Alrighty, so you need to talk to your shoulder partner and decide. You need to be with the same partner you were with last time. You're going to pick up exactly where you left off. I'm going to put the centers back out. This center was on surface area. It's blue. That's where I left that one last time. Green was on, I believe that's on problem. That's one problem solving that's involving surface area and volume. Would you grab the triangular prism behind me, Moses, and put it on that one? The red center was solving area problems and breaking them up into parts. The red center was over here. That's where I left off on this one. And the pink center is solving volume problems and breaking pieces down into basic parts. So please get where you left off last class. Make sure you're talking with your shoulder partner as you're solving the problems. Answers are at the front to check yourself. Josh, can you leave?
So would this triangle be the base?
Yeah, no, because this 6 right here would be this.
Yeah, but if it the way it's laying right now, that makes that.
Wouldn't that have to be wouldn't you have to find the area of the base though?
This is the triangle, this is the square.
Well, yeah, that's 6 times 6, so that'd be 36.
But that's
To get the area, you multiply. And so 6 times 6 is 36, so the base itself is 36 cubed.
Yeah.
Yeah,
well then it would be 36.
Divided by 2 times 4. 36 divided by, yeah. Okay, so 36.
Wouldn't that be cubed or squared? Cube. It's volume.
Okay. Divided by 2
times 4, right?
Confused, guys.
72 is what I got.
Yeah, I got 72.
Yes.
I got 72 cubed.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I got
18 times 4.
Well, it's 36. Yeah, you can do that too. Got 72.
Yeah, I got 72 too.
Yeah, 72 feet cubed.
Uh-oh.
Okay, so that's
Remember, at any time, if any of the parts are confusing and you want to make sure you're clear on it before moving on, answer keys are up at the front. So talk about it and
I'm
work
gonna
on
ask him
it.
to bring it over here so we could all.
anyway. So find the volume of 10-2.
10-2. Wouldn't you do kind of the same thing or no?
Yeah, you would, but since this is the base, so you would go 6. Yeah, it's 72.
Wouldn't it be
It's
base?
72.
It's the same.
It's the exact same thing.
No, here's the trapezoid.
This one ends up being the same thing because it's
No, it's not the same thing.
It's 72, Moses.
Yeah, it's 72.
Yeah, we got it.
Oh.
Because what you do is you do
The base and
base
and
base.
6 times 6 would be 36, and then you still have the 4, which is the height, so you would do 6 times 6 divided by 2, and then times 18 times 4, because 18 is what you get when you divide.